Today I want to show you how to make a planting pot out of a plastic jug. So what we're going to need is, of course, a plastic jug. So we've got that right here. We will need a roll of heavy-duty Scotch packing tape, a knife. We will need a pair of scissors, a pen, and a ruler. So the first step is to take the plastic jug, and we are going to measure how long our jug is. And then we want to make a mark with the pen right in the middle. All right, now you've got a mark there. The next thing is to get your knife out, and right where we marked, we are going to carefully puncture a hole. There we go. Now we want to cut all the way around, and we're gonna kind of clean this up a bit. So what we're gonna do is we are going to puncture a hole in the cap. Now this will be for the water to drain. This will be the actual planter. This will be where we plant it, and then we'll stick it into here, and the excess water will drain. All right, now what we've got here are in our cap, got a hole right in the middle. So we're gonna get some tape, and we are going to put it right on there to cover the sharp edges. All right, now we have the edge of this covered with tape, and it's going just like that all the way around. So now we're gonna get some more tape, and we are going to wrap it around the edges of the top portion here. Now we have the edges of the top part of our planter covered in tape. So you see now I've put tape just below the last row of tape. So I had put tape up here, now I put some down here to hold it up a little bit. Now we're gonna press it down a little bit. Now you see, I stuck that in the bottom pot, and you can see that the hole in there is slightly still above the pot, and that is exactly what we want for proper drainage. This is your finished product. You have made your very own planting pot at home.